Hello friends, welcome to the channel Happy Learning. In the series of Learn SQL, today we'll learn about the update commands. We'll get to know how to do update statement, how to use it, what is the practical use it. We'll learn all the stuff using the practical. Kindly watch the video till end so that you would get to know the practical knowledge of this concept. Why do we use update statement in SQL? What is the purpose of using this statement? Actually, we use update statement wherever we need to update the data or modify the data of an existing table which is having content or data. For example, let's suppose a practical scenario where you want to change the name of the user. You misspelled the name of the user. Suppose you miss in a specific alphabet in any name of the user, or you accidentally forget to put email ID of any employee of your company. You want to update that, or you want to modify the phone number, existing phone number, mobile number of the employees. So these are the practical scenario where update statement can help you to get your data up to date and relevant with your knowledge and requirement. So without wasting any single moment, let's get started. What is the purpose of using update statement? The update statement is used to modify existing record. As we have already said, you must have data into your table so that we can apply update over it. So what is the syntax of update statement? Update is the keyword. If you will see in first rectangle, it's update table name, set column 1 value, then column 2 value. These columns separated by comma. Then after where condition, this is optional. Where condition is optional. So in short, the update is the keyword which you have to put before the table name. Then set is the keyword which you have to put before the column which you are going to mention. Then the respective value of the column. Suppose you want to modify first name of the employee or phone number or email address. Then the column name will be phone number, email address or first name. And where condition. Where conditions means employee ID, employee name, whatever you want to use the condition for putting filter into your table. And one more thing you have to notice, the where clause over here. It works with where clause and without the where clause. So if you are using the statement without where clause, be careful using that, because if you are using it without where clause, it is going to update or modify your complete table with the respective given values which you are passing into your statement. So let's start with the practical. Here we have the employee table which have number of records used for employee. These are the number of records which we have entered. These have the column is active. Is active means these are whether these are active or not active, or inactive employees means the people who have left the organization, or you can imagine anything which are relevant or which are not relevant. So these are the thing. And we have tell about the select statement with where clauses. Let's see a few more example of the where clause which work with the select statement, and these also go with the update statement also. These where clauses, these are used to filter data. Whatever the data you need to update, you need to filter that. By using select and where statement, you can filter out your data which you want to update. So we are trying to find out what are the columns or what are the rows we need to modify. Suppose let's take a few more example of the select statement. Consider this, the result of these two statements. These are different. In first statement you have selected full data of TBL employee table, and in second you have filtered out a few records with the additional check of is active and employee ID less than 10. So this is the beauty of this where clause. This is the way how you can filter it out, and the same way you can do it in update statement also. Let's start with the practical how to update record with where clause. We are first doing with the where statement. So we are going to modify first name of the employee, which is having employee ID 1. The first name of employee is Justin. We want to update this first name of the employee. Any name you can put it over here. Like I have put John. And notice here I am using where statement and giving my specific employee ID, which record I want to update. I want to update with the record having employee ID 1. So what this statement will do? This statement will update first name of the employee ID 1. Means Justin will be now John. See, we'll get the message one record affected. It will give you the row counter, n number of rows means the counter rows, how many rows are affected by using your this statement. So let's see. Now the first name has been updated. Let's try a few more example by putting where and a few more filter using in where statement like and operator. And we have already discussed about the conditional operators like less than, greater than and equal to signatures, signs. Let's use a few for this update statement also here. I am going to target for is active employees, which are 0, means the employee which are not active. And I am considering only first two rows by putting a check of employee ID less than 3. Less than 3 is not going to consider third row, means less than 3 first and second. So it will target only one row which is having inactive records, means I'm talking about the second row. This is the way how we can use it. And one more thing, if you will notice the email ID over here, it is null over here. So let's try one more statement for update in where. Here I am going to update email for the employee whose email ID is null in its respective column. How I can do that? By putting is null check. See, this is the way email ID is null. I can put it over here and what it will do? Just pause the video and try to find out the result. It will update second row because its email was null at that time. So let's see what the result is now. See, second record is not having null now. It is having email ID which I have updated. Now let's try without using where clause. What it will do? The expected result is it should update data for complete table. So I'm going to take least use table for now. Be careful while using it because it can disturb your whole data of the table if you are not using this statement. We can do blunder with this if we are not using where clause with update statement. For example, suppose in your organization you have 1000 employees and you need to employ You need to modify or update email ID of one employee, but accidentally you forget to put where condition. Then what will be the result? You will put single email ID for complete employee table of your organization. So be careful while using it. See, we have updated this TBL employee table without where condition. I have put is active over here, and see, this is how it works. It has updated all the record of this table, whether the user was active or inactive. It just rewrite all the content of the data by one. So be careful while using update statement without where clause. So that's it for today. Hope you liked it. Thank you. Keep learning, keep moving forward. If you're liking our channel, please subscribe it. Press the bell icon, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.